Hi, this is John on behalf of Expert Village. In this video clip, I'll be talking about additional safety instructions for finish sanders. If you're going to be sanding where there is the potential that you could hit a live electrical wire, you want to make sure that you're holding the sander by the insulated portions and not touching any metal. You want to make sure you don't sand any metal surfaces because this could create sparks that could ignite the dust. If you're operating this tool for long periods of time, you want to take frequent rest periods, otherwise you could cause injury to your fingers, your hands, or your arms due to the vibration. You want to make sure that you clean out your sander frequently. This is going to prolong the life of it. And lastly, sometimes the sander can get noisy, so you want to wear hearing protection.